Imagine this. It's a chilly evening, you walk into your kitchen, and a perfectly cooked, warm meal is waiting for you. Tender, juicy, and packed with flavor. That's the magic of a slow cooker. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling schedules, or simply someone who loves comfort food with zero stress, the right slow cooker can completely change your kitchen game. Today, we're counting down the 6 best slow cookers of 2025. From budget-friendly classics to high-tech all-in-one machines. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves a spot on your counter. Number 6. Greenlife Cook Duo 6-Quart. The Greenlife Cook Duo 6-Quart is the perfect example of a slow cooker that keeps things simple while still delivering delicious results. With just 3 straightforward temperature settings and a basic LCD timer, it doesn't try to overwhelm you with unnecessary features. Instead, it focuses on what matters most, making hearty, flavorful meals with ease. What makes the Greenlife stand out is its unique, toxin-free pot. Unlike many non-stick coatings, it's completely free of PFOA, PFAS, and other harmful chemicals. It behaves like ceramic, holding heat beautifully, but it's also versatile enough to go on the stovetop or in the oven, giving you the best of both worlds. Of course, simplicity does come with a couple of trade-offs. The cooker takes up more counter space than you'd expect for its size, and the lid isn't the most secure if you're planning to transport it. But for everyday cooking at home, these are small drawbacks compared to the value it offers. At an affordable price, the Greenlife Cook Duo 6-Quart is ideal for anyone looking to start slow cooking without spending a fortune. It's practical, safe, and versatile. Proof that you don't need fancy features to create comforting meals that bring people together. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Temp Tracker 6-Quart. The Hamilton Beach Temp Tracker 6-Quart is the perfect balance of simplicity, flavor, and value. With its clear digital display and easy-to-use dial, setting the right cooking time and temperature couldn't be easier. It's designed for convenience. Whether you're preparing a family dinner or heading to a potluck, the sturdy handle and secure lid latches make it easy to carry without worrying about spills. What makes this slow cooker really shine is its ability to deliver tender, juicy meals every time. From hearty roasts to savory stews, it locks in flavor and keeps meats moist all the way through. Plus, the included temperature probe helps ensure your food is cooked to perfection, taking the guesswork out of home cooking. Yes, it's a bit on the heavier side, especially when loaded with a full roast and vegetables, but that's a small trade-off for the reliable performance it brings to the table. The Hamilton Beach Temp Tracker isn't just about cooking. It's about making your meals stress-free, flavorful, and ready to share with the people you love. Number 4. Crock-Pot 6-Quart Cook and Carry. The Crock-Pot 6-Quart Cook and Carry is built for one thing: making big, delicious meals at home and taking them with you wherever you go. With a generous 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for hearty stews, family dinners, or a crowd-pleasing dish at your next gathering. Its extra-long cooking time, up to 20 hours, means you can leave a stew simmering overnight and wake up to rich, flavorful results. Vegetables stay tender but not mushy, and potatoes hold their texture beautifully. Ease of use is another highlight. The simple digital timer and auto-warm function keep your meal ready to serve, so dinner is always hot when you need it. And while the cook and carry doesn't shut off automatically, its secure locking lid and oversized handles make it an ideal companion for tailgates, potlucks, or family get-togethers. Yes, it can feel a little heavy once filled, but that's the price of a pot built to carry such hearty meals. At the end of the day, the Crock-Pot Cook and Carry is all about sharing, giving you the freedom to cook with love at home and serve it wherever life takes you. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo. The Instant Pot Duo isn't just a slow cooker, it's a true kitchen multitasker. With its 7-in-1 functionality, this 6-quart powerhouse can handle everything from slow cooking and sautéing to pressure cooking, rice, yogurt, and more. For busy households or anyone who loves experimenting in the kitchen, it's like having an entire set of appliances wrapped up in one sleek stainless steel design. Its programmable features make cooking simple. Set it, walk away, and come back to perfectly cooked meals. The improved lid design and safer steam vents are thoughtful touches that make it even easier to use. And when it comes to results, the Duo delivers. From fluffy rice and hearty beans to perfectly tender veggies and juicy proteins. Every dish comes out with that homemade but effortless taste. Of course, its versatility can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to cooking. But once you get the hang of it, the Instant Pot Duo becomes less of a gadget and more of a game changer. With endless recipes and guides available, it truly earns its spot as one of the most valuable appliances in any modern kitchen. Number 2. Cuisinart 6-Quart 3-in-1 Cook Central. The Cuisinart 6-Quart 3-in-1 Cook Central is built for people who want one appliance that truly does it all. With an intuitive dual-screen interface, you can set both time and temperature at once. No endless cycling through menus, just simple, straightforward cooking. What makes this slow cooker stand out is its versatility. You can brown or sauté meat directly in the pot, then add your ingredients and switch to slow cook mode without ever reaching for another pan. Need to steam veggies? It comes with its own rack. Want to finish something off in the oven or on the stovetop? The pot is designed for that too. It's a seamless all-in-one cooking experience. Meals come out consistently delicious. Tender meats, evenly cooked vegetables, and rich flavors in every bite. While the non-stick coating means you'll want to be gentle during cleaning, the payoff is the sheer convenience of having multiple cooking methods in one compact unit. Yes, the Cook Central sits at a higher price point compared to more basic models, but it earns its value through versatility and ease. For anyone who loves the idea of simplifying the kitchen without sacrificing performance, this Cuisinart is an investment that pays off meal after meal. Number 1. Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker Pro 8.5 Quart. The Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker Pro 8.5 Quart is more than just a slow cooker. It's a full kitchen in a single pot. With 8 different cooking functions, it allows you to slow cook, sear, sous vide, steam, and even bake, all with the press of a button. Its sleek digital display makes it simple to use, and cleanup is just as easy. What really sets the Possible Cooker Pro apart is its all-in-one versatility. It can replace up to 14 different kitchen tools and appliances, making it a perfect choice if you want to save space without giving up functionality. The pot itself is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and works on the stovetop, so you can brown your meats or finish a dish in the oven without switching cookware. It even comes with an integrated spoon that clips neatly to the lid. No more messy countertops. Cooking results are consistently impressive. From hearty pot roast to tender vegetables, everything comes out moist, flavorful, and perfectly cooked. It's the kind of appliance that makes cooking easier, faster, and a whole lot more enjoyable. While it comes at a premium price, the Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker Pro earns its spot at the top by offering unmatched versatility and performance. For anyone serious about cooking, or simply wanting one appliance that can truly do it all, this is the ultimate choice. And there you have it. The 6 best slow cookers you can buy right now. Each of these brings something unique to the table. Whether it's portability, versatility, or just unbeatable value, there's a slow cooker here for everyone. Which one would you choose for your kitchen? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if this helped you out, subscribe for more buying guides, and ring the bell so you never miss our next countdown. Until then, happy cooking, and may every meal be stress-free and delicious.